SIP versus S short-term vs long-term investment, complete beginner guide. Hello everyone, welcome back to SkillSpears. Today we are going to learn something that can completely change your financial future. Not trading, not crypto, not quick money, but a simple system that creates real wealth. That system is called SIP, Systematic Investment Plan. And along with that, we will understand what is short-term investment, what is long-term investment, where SIP fits, which one is best for students and beginners, and how 500 rupees per month can become lakhs and crores. Stay till the end, because most people misunderstand investing, and that mistake costs them years. What is investment? Investment means using your money today so it can grow and work for you in the future. If you only save money, it stays the same. If you invest money, it grows. Example, if you keep 10,000 rupees in a locker for 10 years, 10,000 rupees. If you invest 10,000 rupees properly, it can become 30,000 rupees or 40,000 rupees. That is the power of investing. What is SIP? SIP stands for Systematic Investment Plan. It means investing a fixed amount every month in mutual funds, like a monthly subscription to your future wealth. Example, 500 rupees per month, 1000 rupees per month, 2000 rupees per month. Small amount, big impact. SIP removes tension of market timing. You don't need to know when market is up or down. You just invest every month. How SIP works? Let's understand with numbers. If you invest 2000 rupees per month for 20 years at 12% return, you invest 480,000 rupees. You get 1,998,000 rupees approx. You invested less than 5 lakhs. You get nearly 20 lakhs. This happens because of compounding. Money earns profit. Profit earns profit. Profit earns profit. This is called the eighth wonder of the world. What is short-term investment? Short-term means less than 3 years. Purpose: emergency fund, buying bike, phone, laptop. Fees: travel, small goals. Options: savings account, FD, liquid mutual funds, RD. Return is low, risk is low. Short-term investment is for safety, not wealth. What is long-term investment? Long-term means 5 years, 10 years, 20 years. Purpose: wealth creation, house, financial freedom, retirement. Options: SIP in equity mutual funds, index funds, stocks for knowledgeable people. Here returns are high because time is long. Time reduces risk. That is why SIP is best for long term. SIP plus time equals magic. If you invest 3000 rupees per month for 25 years at 12%, you invest 900,000 rupees. You get 5 million rupees plus. That is the magic of time. People say, I don't have money to invest. But truth is, they don't have patience. Which is best for students. If you are a student, Step 1, save 500 rupees or 1000 rupees per month. Step 2, start SIP in index mutual fund. Step 3, forget for 10 years. Do not trade. Do not follow tips. Do not chase fast money. Follow slow money. Slow money becomes big money. Common mistakes people make: waiting for perfect time, stopping SIP when market falls, investing for short term in equity, not being consistent, expecting fast returns. SIP rewards discipline, not intelligence. Conclusion: let's revise. Short-term investment safety, long-term investment wealth. SIP best method for long-term wealth. Start small, start early, stay consistent. Your future self will thank you. If you learn something new, share this with a friend who needs to start investing. See you in the next video. Most people learn random things. Smart people learn high-value skills that pay for life. Here are the most important skills you should learn, in order of impact, for today's world. 1. Communication skills, most powerful skill. If you can speak clearly, confidently, and explain ideas well, people respect you. You get leadership roles. You grow faster than others. If you want communication skills, visit our channel SkillSpears.